Town by Creek with Watercolor by Makarand Joshi. Hi, this video gives you insight to the process of painting a landscape of a town by a creek, using the very basic elements of composition of a landscape: the background, the midground, and the foreground. If you are new to this channel, then subscribe to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button. Every time I upload a new video, you'll be notified. Three basic elements for composing a landscape: the background, the midground, and the foreground. Once again, the background, the midground, and the foreground. And this is the final outcome, followed by a quick recap of the entire painting process. Please do visit and view the other videos on my channel, and please subscribe to my channel by hitting the red subscribe button.